Hello children, today we are going to do a coloring activity. Coloring promotes hand-eye coordination and it helps to increase attention span and patience as you focus on staying within the outline. So, let us color a flamingo bird today. Dear parents, your support and guidance are very much important to do this activity. Children, when you color a picture, hold the crayon using these three fingers, that is thumb, pointer and the middle finger, like this. The thumb, pointer and middle finger. Now, let us move on to coloring. Look at the picture children. Here you can see image of a flamingo bird, lotus flower and leaves. Flamingos are birds that are famous for their bright pink feathers, shaped neck and long legs with webbed foot. Here each image has a thick outline all around. Here you can see another thick line all around the page and that is the border. The space around the picture within the border is the background of the picture. ഈ പിക്ചറിൽ നോക്കിയാൽ ഓരോ ഇമേജിന് ചുറ്റും ഒരു ഔട്ട്ലൈൻ ഉള്ളത് നമുക്ക് കാണാം. ഫ്ലമിംഗോ ബേർഡിനുണ്ട്, ലോട്ടസ് ലീവ്സ്, ലോട്ടസ് ഫ്ലവർ, ഇതിനെല്ലാം ഒരു ഔട്ട്ലൈൻ ഉണ്ട്. Children, take the pink crayon and color from the head of the flamingo bird. Color the picture without crossing its outline. You have to color the whole body, including feathers and legs, using pink color. And remember to color the whole picture in the same direction. If you can do like this, the strokes will look neat and tidy and you will get a beautiful picture. Now, let us color the beak of flamingo bird. It has a bottom part and a top part. Take the black crayon and color the bottom part of the beak. Then you may apply yellow for the top part of the beak. Look children, we just colored the flamingo bird. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഫ്ലെമിംഗോ ബേർഡിനും ബീക്കിനും കളർ ചെയ്തു. Now, let us make the picture prettier by coloring the lotus flower and the leaves. Take the green color and apply within the outline of the leaf. Do not forget to color in the same direction. Then you can color the other leaf also in the same manner. Okay, now let us color the lotus flower using pink color. You have to color within the outline, give color to each petal. Children, now using blue color, let us color inside the border, that is the background of the picture. You have to color in the same direction like this. Now your picture will look like this. How is it children? Children, hope you enjoyed today's class. See you in the next class. Bye.